Yes, if you've been watching the channel, you have seen me made like 2 videos talking about the school that is currently in Broward County trying to copycat my name by naming themselves AC Driving School. Keep in mind, if you're looking for ACC Driving School, it has to say ACC Driving School. Look for the logo, the round green and yellow logo that says ACC Driving School with the road on it. I'll put the logo on this video so you'll be able to recognize the logo wherever you see it. It's on the cars, it's on the videos, it's everywhere. So if you're looking for ACC Driving School, make sure it has that logo. And again, my name is Henry Vernon. If you're confused, ask for me by name. Alright, thank you. I'll get into the video and show you what's on this driving test. Hey, what's up, YouTube? So I'm here with a student. Say hi.
Hi.
We're about to run through the driving test. We're at the South Florida DMV. I can show you what the place looks like, but I can't say where it is. I'm going to run you through the actual driving test with the student. She's practicing, she's testing in a couple of days. But before I get into the videos, I'm going to ask you guys to please subscribe to my other YouTube channels. That would be Exotic Car Culture if you are into cars, and Sequence Sound System if you're into sound, reggae, dancehall sound systems. That's the channel that is actually growing quite well, Sequence Sound. By the way, I have a female instructor coming online, so look out for it. I'll announce when the female instructor is ready and working. So for all the people that called and asked me, do you have a female instructor? I will be having a female instructor coming online in relatively quick order. So again, Sequence Sound, Exotic Car Culture. If you need the 4, the 8, the 12-hour traffic ticket classes, you can do those classes on the website accdriverseducation.com. Again, that is accdriverseducation.com. 4-hour, 8-hour, 12-hour. The new 6-hour class that is required by the state is also on the website. 4-hour drug and alcohol class that is required for people trying to take their written test. And we have the third-party test available. If you want it, call me at 954-588-8075. Again, that is 954-588-8075. Now, let's get into the video. I had to do my ads. Come on. Advertisement. Alright, so they're going to ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left.
Okay, what else do you do?
Put the car in park, then pull on the parking brake.
Pull up the parking brake.
Pull up the parking brake.
And turn off the ignition.
Yes.
Okay. Now they're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Okay. So they're checking to make sure your turn signal lights, your horn, and your brake lights are working. They will not take you out in a car if any of those things are not working. So before you come to the DMV, at least just do a slight check to make sure everything works. Now they're gonna ask you to do turn the wheel all the way to the left, and they're gonna be checking your left front tire. All right, turn all the way right. Again, they're gonna be checking your right front tire. Go ahead and straighten up. 2 times to the middle, that's 1, and that is 2. Yeah, so again, they will not take you out in a car with bald tires. So before you show up to the DMV, make sure you check your tires, make sure your tires are good. They're checking your door locks also to make sure your door locks work. If your door locks doesn't work, they don't want to be stuck in a car and can't get out. You feel me? So if your door lock does not work, they probably will not take you out in it. So that's that. Alright, now they're going to get into the car. They're going to basically tell you to listen, follow instruction. Pretty straightforward. Just listen and follow instruction. And that's it. People run into problem because they overthink it. They think ahead of the examiners. They just get in their heads and they mess up the test. So listen to what they're asking you to do and just follow the instructions. Alright, so we're going to reverse from here, and we're going to go to the left. So you put it in reverse, you look behind, and you roll straight back until your mirror is past the end of the line, like about right there. See that? Now turn all the way to the right. Right. Look behind and reverse. Stop about here. When your mirror is past the middle, backing out, that's good. Put it back in drive. We're going to go to the stop sign and we're going to make a left turn. So we're doing gently on the gas, get to the stop sign, make sure you come to a complete stop. Signal left and stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make your left into your right lane. And we're going to go down to the stop sign and we're going to make another left turn. And keep in mind that the speed limit in this plaza is about 10 miles max. So you don't want to be flying through the parking lot. We're going to come to the stop sign, we're going to stop completely, and then we're going to look both ways to make sure there are no cars coming. Look this way and that way. This way.
I can't see the tree.
I know. You gotta look. So you stop here and then you actually kind of creep out to where you can see clearly. Go ahead, you good. And you make sure you go into the right lane. And we're going to go all the way down into the back here. And then we're going to make a left turn by the dumpsters. You don't have a choice down here anyway. It's not like you can go right. You could only go left. Turn past the tree. So again, you're going to go slightly wide and make sure your mirror is past the curb before you turn. So you want to go out slightly like that. Slow down and turn. As soon as your mirror is past the curb, you turn in like that. And yeah, when you straighten up here, straighten the wheel and stop. Now they're going to tell you to do the quick stop. So speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. Try to go straight down, and when I say stop, you stop. Speed up, 20. And stop. That's your phone? Okay.
My wallet.
Yeah. Reverse, straight back. Look behind, keep the wheel straight, and roll as straight back as possible. And they'll tell you when to stop. Okay, stop about here. Now we're going to go forward. We're going to go down to the end and make a left turn. And we're going to park in between the cones. So you're going to stay close to the right side, signal left. And you're going to pull down and you're going to make sure your mirror, well, in this case, in this car, we're trying to line up the steering wheel with the first set of poles, so go forward. Or right there. If you look, you see that perspective. Now you turn all the way left. Release your brake. So you're rolling forward. When you get into the middle of the space, keep going. When you get to the middle, you just straighten up, pull straight in, turn slightly left, and pull straight in, straighten up, and stop. And that is perfect. Alright, now we're going to reverse. Go slow. When your mirror is past the cone, you turn in all the way to the right. Turn right, all the way right. You're going left, right? So you have to put the back of the car to the right. That's everyone gets confused with that, but with practice you'll get that. So look behind and roll straight back. stop there, put it in drive. Alright, pull up next to the line on the right side right there, and we're going to do the 3-point turn. So put up, straighten up here. Alright, signal left. Again, the closer you are to the right side, the easier it is to do the 3-point turn. So you signal the left, turn the wheel all the way to the left, go forward, and you're going to stop before you hit that curb. See the curb over there? You're going to stop before you hit the curb. And stop. Put the car in reverse. Turn all the way right. All the way until it stops. And look over your left shoulder and reverse. Left shoulder. Reverse. Left shoulder. That shoulder, yeah. Alright, go back. Gently on the gas. And you're going to go back until your mirror is past the middle. Like about that. That looks good. Put it back in drive. And signal left. Turn left. Okay. Come to a complete stop. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead, take your left. Nice, so we're going to go all the way down to the end and make a left and park where we started. And that would be the test. Pretty much. Signal left. Turn left again. Okay, park right here. Straight in. Turn slightly left. And stop. Okay, cool. Put it in park. Alright, tell me, how you think you did?
Decent.
Decent. Decent. You did good. We still need to practice a little bit more. We're out of time for today, though, but we have to run through it another time. Alright, so she's doing the tests on when? Friday?
Yeah.
So we gotta come back here before Friday for some reason.
Alright.
No, because you still, there's still a few things you need to work on, but yeah. But overall, you're doing good. Okay, so we'll see how that works. Anyway, I'm gonna ask you again to subscribe to my other channels. That would be Exotic Car Culture and Sequence Sound. Look out for the female instructor coming on board soon. 4, 8, 12-hour traffic ticket classes on the website, accdriverseducation.com. The 6-hour class that is required by the state, the new 6-hour class, is also on the website. The first-time driver 4-hour class that is required for people over 18 is also on the website. If you want to do the third-party test and you're having a hard time finding an appointment at any DMV, call me at the 954-588-8075 number. Again, that is 954-588-8075. And I'll hook that up for you. And yeah, I need to mention this. If you're looking for ACC driving school, there is a guy calling himself AC Driving School. Pay attention. ACC Driving School have the green and yellow logo, round logo that says ACC Driving School. Don't get fooled by some guy trying to scam the business. You feel me? I've been in business for 30-something years. This guy just started and he's using my name to try to get customers. So yeah, if you're looking for ACC Driving School, make sure it's ACC Driving School. And my name is Henry Vernon. So ask for me by name. You feel me? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on next video. Cool. Yeah, I have to say that because they're trying to scam the